Can you include personal injury settlements and judgments in a bankruptcy? Hi, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee, and the answer to that question is yes, you definitely can include personal injury judgments and settlements in bankruptcy. Sometimes you have to do that, folks. Let me give you an example. Let's say you're driving down the street, and we're all human, right? We all make mistakes. You make a mistake and you cause an accident. Unfortunately, someone in that other car is injured, perhaps severely. That person may have to go to the hospital, maybe even be admitted to the hospital or have surgery or something like that, and you unfortunately do not have insurance. The state of Tennessee says you have to be financially responsible for any damage you may cause on the highways. Most people carry insurance for that, but if you don't have insurance for whatever reason, the other person's uninsured motorist coverage will pay for the damage. And that means that insurance company will come after you for what it pays. You will be looked at as a debtor in that situation because you cannot pay it. So if you can't pay it, the state of Tennessee will suspend your driver's license. So now you're perhaps deeply in debt and you don't have a driver's license. You don't have to let that happen. You can discharge that debt and prevent the loss of your license. And if your license has been lost, you can recover it through bankruptcy. Now I'm talking about bankruptcy for debt, folks, not a criminal sentence. It can't be something where you've lost your license because that's part of a sentence for a crime you may be accused of committing, like drunk driving or something like that. So if that is the case, you can discharge that debt and keep your license through bankruptcy. And at my law firm, I am uniquely qualified for that because I've done a very large amount of personal injury work and a very, very large amount of bankruptcy work. So I'm quite familiar with both of them, folks. If you have problems because you've been in an accident, you can't pay for the damage, call me for a free appointment. You'll be glad you did.